Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to hard reset the Samsung Galaxy A07. Now to do that, just use the charging cable of your smartphone and connect one end of your charging cable to your smartphone. Then connect the other end of your charging cable to your PC or to your laptop. Now you don't have to do anything on your PC or on your laptop. Just connect your smartphone to your PC. After that, just press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time until the screen of your Samsung phone goes black. Once the screen of your Samsung phone goes black, just press and hold the volume up button and the power button at the same time until you see the Samsung logo appear on the screen. Once the Samsung logo appears on the screen, just release both of these buttons. Now after you enter recovery mode, now to navigate this screen, just press the volume down button. Now once you select wipe data and factory reset, just press the power button to confirm this action. Press the volume down button and select factory data reset. Then press the power button to confirm. Once you complete the hard reset process, just press the power button to confirm reboot system now. Now, as you can see, this is how you can hard reset the Samsung Galaxy A07. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.